Fica aí, carai. Oh. Rapaz! Hi everyone, it's me again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a professional signature for your Gmail using clickable icons for your social media. So if you like this kind of content, consider to subscribe to my channel and of course give it a thumbs up. And I'm always gonna come here bringing new videos and new tips for your business on social media. Alright, to start we're gonna go on canva.com. I have a bunch of windows opened here because of course we're gonna use those links on the signature. But to start we should go on canva.com. If you don't have an account, I recommend you to make one, and it's free. Of course you can pay to have some pro features, but the free one you can do the email signature that we're doing in this video. First of all, we're gonna click on create a design, and then from there you're gonna type email. It's gonna come a bunch of options and we're gonna choose email signature. On mine automatically came blank, but normally you can choose from all templates that you want. You can go with your branding, you can choose the colors of your branding, you can add your logo, you can do however you want, but I actually want to show you guys how to do from scratch your own signature. So we're gonna start adding an element. On the sidebar here, if you use to Canva, you know here you can choose all the options you could use while you're designing something. On elements, you can type a circle. Of course, you can go for a square or a star or whatever you like, but I'm gonna start with a circle, where I would like to put my picture in this circles. Normally, how I like to make my signature. We're gonna look for a frame. Frames are really nice for us to add pictures. So we're gonna put here a little frame and then adjust so it looks cool like this. And afterwards I'm going to upload, or I'm gonna look for a headshot of me. This one is pretty cool. It's actually the one I am originally using on my email. Then afterwards we're gonna add our information. You go on text, and then I'm gonna put here my name. Brunna Santana. And we're gonna adjust. I'm a little bit fast because I am used to Canva already, but if it's new to you, it's gonna take a while for you to figure out. It is not difficult at all. Canva is very intuitive. They have already templates of everything. I just like to create on my own. And I think it's also cool to show you guys how. Anyways, you can change the fonts, but a pretty cool tip is that if you type here calligraphy, it's gonna come all kind of cool fonts that looks like an actual signature. So you can choose one that best fits you. I'm gonna go for this one. And of course you can change the color, the size. You can do however you like. I am gonna make a little bit grayish. Yeah. Now I'm going back again to text. On this side we can choose anything. It's pretty cool. Then I'm gonna add a subtitle or a subheading. I'm gonna put here video and content creator, because it's my job. Of course you could put your website, you could put, I don't know, your address, whatever you'd like to have on your signature. Okay, your address is really not unless you have a physical store, that could be cool. But this, I'm gonna make it smaller. You know what? I think this is gonna look cool indeed if we leave it black and then this a little bit lighted color. Then I go again on text. As I said, you can make it, oh, this is actually a pretty big text. I'm going for a subheading. Again, you can put whatever you want. I am gonna put here my email. Gmail.com. I'm gonna copy and paste this. Just the same thing, but here I'm gonna put my website. Another thing you can do is look for items like, I'm gonna put post. No, not a good one. Mail. Mail. Those icons are really cute to add on your signature. Look, you can add here next to it. And you can also change the color so everything is kind of matching. And then for the website, I'm gonna look for web. There's gonna come a bunch of web icons. Cool, eh? I'm gonna just put a simple one. www. Nah, we're barely using www these days. I'm just gonna put a little world. I'm really sorry if I'm going a bit too fast, but it's just for you guys to have an idea. Yeah, that's cool. Another thing you can do is add your logo if you want. So if I go here on my uploads, I can add a logo. I'm gonna put a business media logo. You know, you can add wherever you want on the side next to it. I'm just gonna make it small here. Maybe here. You know what? I'm not gonna add my logo. Wait, maybe I can. It's kind of fun because you guys are watching the whole creative process of how I actually make designs for my clients. But I'm trying to be a bit quick so this video is not taking so long. Tip that I could give to you guys is that this whole image is gonna be uploaded in the bottom of your email. So it is important that it fills up as much as it can from the space. So what I did here is just select all the elements that are on my image. And of course, on your email, you want something small like this. But what I'm trying to say is that this whole image is going to be uploaded there. And wondering where am I going to put the clickable links from social media is coming up. So I'm going to save this as signature tutorial. And I'm gonna download. It is important that you keep it on PNG. Yeah. And then we're gonna download it. It's pretty cool. The signature tutorial is here. So we go to our email. So this is our email. As you guys see, I already have a signature. And it looks like a lot, the one we just made. But you're gonna look for this little settings icon. Normally next to your account photo, and then comes some options here, question mark, and then in between there is a settings icon. And then you're gonna choose all settings. There's a bunch of options, but you're gonna choose from all settings. And of course, there's a bunch of stuff here, but you're gonna look for signature. This is my original signature here, as you guys can see, but I am gonna create a new. Of course, you need to name your signature. You know what? I'm gonna make it better for you guys. I am gonna delete my signature. Oh, no problem. If you guys never had the signature before, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna make a name for your signature. It is very important that you add the name to your signature, and I'm just gonna tell you why. Signature tutorial. Create. You need to have the name because after you save everything, you need to select here the signature that you're gonna use on all emails. And it's pretty simple. This box next to it, you can of course write your signature if you want, but the whole idea is to add an image. So you're gonna go look on your uploads and how did we call it again? Tutorials, right? Yes, I have so oh my god. So we're gonna upload it and it's gonna appear here. Pretty cool, eh? If you click on it, you can actually choose if you want it small, if you want medium, if you want large, if you want original size. I usually like medium size because I think it's pretty easy to read. Everybody can see what's on it. You see the logo, you see the little signature, and it's not taking too much of your email body. Now you already see how I made an art. It's very simple, and I'm gonna show you how to add those clickable links. It's very simple, but I really wanna know if you already subscribed to the channel and like this video. Now, let's make the clickable icons. I think that's the reason why you click on this video. So it is very important that the mouse cursor is under the signature. Otherwise, your icons are gonna be here or up, and it's gonna look a bit weird. So it's really important that the mouse icon is under your signature. Now we're going back again to Canva, and we're gonna create a new design. Same steps we just took before, but instead we're gonna search for custom size, and then we're gonna put 50 per 50 pixels. This is pretty square. And then from there, you of course can make it however you want, but we want to put social media icons. So let's start with a cute element. Yes, I have my elements here, but just to show you guys, let's put a square. Square. You can fill up your square. I like to leave a little bit of a white border because the background of the signature is white. Duplicate as many icons I want. So let's say I am gonna put my Instagram, my YouTube, and my LinkedIn. Yeah? Okay, for the first one, let's look for Instagram. There are many options of icons you could use. My original signature has this icon because I think it's pretty simple. I don't like too much stuff on an email because even though social media is all about standing out, your email is kind of your professional messages, or when you're getting contracts, when you're getting proposals. So I like to keep it pretty clean. So I choose this icon, and I am gonna choose something that looks like my branding is gray. The next icon is gonna be LinkedIn. This one, LinkedIn. Yeah, we're also gonna grow, so it's pretty centered. I am gonna name my icons as icons tutorial. And I am gonna download. Very important, and if you're not used to Canva, pay attention. They need to be on PNG, and you need to select one by one, because of course I made the 3 icons in one project. I'm gonna download one by one. So this is the icon tutorial that's gonna come out. Right here is it. Then we're gonna share it again. We're gonna download it there again. But now we're gonna select the second icon like this and then download it. Yeah, there you go. And the last one, same thing. We're gonna download it same way, PNG, and select the third one. There we go. And it's gonna come. Here are our icons. Now, we need to go back to our email, wherever there was here. Mouse is already here down, so we're gonna go to the same step of adding an image, insert an image. We're gonna upload, and we're gonna look for our tutorial icon. They're here, 1, 2, and the first one. So let's start with the first one, Instagram. Boom, there it is. You can also choose if you want it small or medium or large or original size. I like the original size. It fits pretty well with my signature. And for you to add a link, all you need to do is select the image. It's gonna come a bunch of options again, and you need to go to this little link thing. Let's see if you guys saw. Yeah, here you can barely see, but there's a link right next to where you could insert your picture. There's an insert link icon. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna come a option. So I'm gonna get here the Instagram from B2Ns Media. If you don't follow, here's the moment. Copy. And oh my god, I have so many windows, sometimes I go crazy from it. Paste it and okay. So your link should be already there. Now, mouse next to it, we're gonna repeat the same thing. Upload. You guys can see some of my clients' projects on the screen, but it's okay. It's a good way of me making reclame commercial to you guys. Let's add the YouTube now. Okay, same thing. Adding the YouTube icon, uploading, and boom, it's gonna come right next to it. What we need to do is select it, add a link. Oops, it didn't select. It needs to be selected, otherwise it's not gonna link. Now, we're gonna look for the B2Ns Media channel, which is where you are. So, you're gonna look for the link of your YouTube channel or whatever you wanna link to it, and you're gonna paste it. Same thing, boom. Go. It is done. Your signature is ready. Please make sure that you select the signature you want to use it. Yeah. And of course, save all the changes you made. So this is gonna look like your signature. Here's gonna come the body of your email, because I'm typing crazily, and your signature is gonna be showing in the bottom. All the icons are gonna be clickable for when someone receives an email from you, and that's a pretty professional way to send an email to someone. Of course, if you have a personal account, you can just put your name and your picture. You just make a smaller design. And if you have a business account, which I hope you have if you're watching this video, then you add your icons and you add your email, your address, your phone number. It's pretty interesting to add that on your email. So today's video was not much about social media, but I'm pretty sure it was a good tip for you to get more people to check out your social media. So if you're writing emails, responding messages, the people will see that you have social media, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. It's a great way to open up your business. So I hope you liked today's video. If so, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.